Hello guys, and welcome to today's video where we learn how to install VS Code on our computers. So we open up our browser and we search VS Code in the search bar, or we can directly go to code.visualstudio.com. This is usually the first link that will pop up at the top, so you want to click on that. Now it will redirect you to Visual Studio's Code official website. So over here you look for the download button. So if you are using a Windows or your operating system, you can download it from there. But if you have a different operating system, whether a Mac or a Linux, you can choose the download from that section as well. I'm using a Windows, so I click on this and we wait for the download to begin. So the download pops up and I'll start the download, but this might take a little while, so I'll pause the video and get back to you when it's done. Alright, so the download is done, and I'm going to open up the location where it's installed and I'll begin the installation. So find the setup over there and then I'll double click on it in order to run the application. So we find a little license agreement which you have to go through, read, and then accept. So after reading through the license agreement, you can click on the accept and click on next. So you will have to select the installation folder. So if you want to install it in a different place, you can go ahead with that. I'm comfortable with this, so I'll click on next, and then I'll check all these boxes: create a desktop icon, add code, open with code, and add to the Explorer. And then I'll hit on next and then click on install to begin the installation. Alright, so this is done and we have the icon setting up. So when we click on finish, this will launch the Visual Studio for us. And yeah, so this launches Visual Studio Code and we have the get started window. Right, so this is the interface, and there are other ways we can launch the VS Code. So I'll close this up and then we open up the run tool and then we type in CMD. Now over here we can launch Visual Studio Code from the terminal. So I'll navigate to my desktop. I'll say CD desktop and then just type code over here and hit on enter, and this will open up the VS Code. So guys, that's it. This is how to install VS Code. I'll see you in the next tutorial.